Good morning, everyone. Today in our class, we will discuss a new chapter about the environmental pollution. Okay, so let's start. First, we will know about that pollutions. What is that? You know that our environment is getting polluted day by day because of the few reasons like industrializations, urbanization, populations increasing, and all these things are caused by the human beings. Okay, we are the main reason for the pollutions. There are the four different types of pollutions you can see here, like air pollutions, water pollutions, noise and sound pollutions, and land or soil pollutions. Okay, so here we will discuss one by one different kind of pollutions. Okay, so first we will discuss about the air pollutions. As you see the picture here, you can easily understood that air pollution mainly caused when the harmful gases mixed with the air, and the air is dangerous for our health. When the poisonous gas mixed with the air, that time that air is very dangerous for us. Okay, and breathing in this polluted air can causes different harmful disease, and there are the many causes of air pollutions, like what happened when the mostly due to the human activity this kind of pollutions happened, and the harmful smoke that is emitted from vehicles, industries, firecrackers, these are the main reasons for the polluted air around us. Okay, and you know, day by day, due to the increasing populations, the transportation systems also increasing, and therefore the increasing traffic, growing cities, rapid economic growth, that all are and industrializations, these are the main reasons for air pollutions. Okay, and you know that air pollutions also very disastrous because it can harm the ozone layer. What is ozone layer? You know, this layer is in the atmosphere. This layer protect us from the poisonous or the very dangerous ultraviolet ray. Okay, you can say this is the our protector from this harmful rays. Okay, the due to this poisonous gas, that layer, many ozone layer, is cracked in the and that is the main reasons for the global warming. And right now the global warming is very dangerous or the very serious matter to concern, like due to the global warming, you know, the temperature increasing, and due to the temperature increasing, the glacier melted, and due to the glacier melted, sea level increase, and due to the sea level increase, the flood happened, and there are so many dangerous thing happened only because of the air pollutions. Okay, and nature can also be the reasons for air pollutions, like the storm in the desert, dust storm in the desert, and smoke from the forest fire, ashes from the volcanic eruptions, these are the also reasons for the air pollutions. Okay, and you know, the sometime the harmful smoke combined with the fog, these smoke, when they combined with fog, they make smog. Okay, smog which is very dangerous, and it can causes asthma, and the other breathing problem. Okay, next one, not only for the human, plants and animals, they are also suffer due to the air pollutions. Okay, and plants are not able to make their food due to the air pollutions. So this is also very disastrous or dangerous for us. You know that plant is one of the most important thing. We are depends on them, plants, because we need oxygens, and plant gives us oxygen. So if plant can't grow due to this pollution, so obviously human being will be suffer, and as well as animals and the other organisms will be suffer due to this air pollution. This is all about air pollution. Next one is water pollution. Water pollution, what is that? You can see the picture. Water pollution mainly caused when the harmful substance are released in water, and water can be polluted through the sewage and the wastewater, marine dumping, and you can see that radioactive waste, industrial waste, oil pollutions, these are the main reasons for the water pollutions. Okay, wastewater from our houses, sewage water is mainly dumped into the river. Okay, our water when bathing, when we bath, and the extra water from our basin when we wash hand, these all are the extra water released in or dumped into the river. So in that time the river, obviously river will polluted. You can see the picture that all the the dirty water are mixed with the river or a canal. Okay, and sometimes industrial also dump their harmful waste and the other radioactive waste into the nearby lakes, river and other water bodies. So that are also the main reason for the water pollutions. Okay, and there are the due to this water pollutions, these are the causes: water contaminations. Okay, and bathing and washing clothes in the river are also reasons for the water pollutions. And you know that water pollution is a serious problem in the both human and animals, as well as aquatic animals like fish. They are not able to survive in this contaminations water. You can see that picture here, the so many wasted materials are there. How aquatic animals will live there? Okay, how they will suffer and die in this type of dirty water. Plants also suffer from this kind of water pollutions. Contaminations water can causes dangerous disease like you can say jaundice, typhoid, cholera. These are the main disease caused by water pollutions. Okay, so these are all about the water pollutions. Next one is noise and sound pollutions. Noise pollutions, you can see the picture here. Noise pollution is caused by the excessive unpleasant sound that you make in our classroom sometime. Okay, that is also the noise pollutions. This is the another important environmental pollutions that we are facing now. Noise or the sound pollutions in mainly we can see in the large city area or densely populated areas. Okay, and the vehicles are the main reasons for the noise pollutions. The horn from the vehicles, you can, I give you here picture here, you can see it, that the horns from the vehicles can bear only 90 decibel of sound. After that, that will be noise pollutions for us. Next one, anything more than that is harmful for the ears. It can causes stress, irritations, and some cases it can lead the loss of hearing. Okay, loss of hearing also. Sound also from the loudspeaker, firecracker. These sometimes when these festivals happen, we can see in the city areas or the village areas that firecrackers we do this firecrackers, but that sound is also very harmful for us. Okay, not only for the human, that sound also very effect on the animals. Okay, so be careful from now on, because you will maybe disturb other human beings. Those are old and the child and obviously the animals, the birds, they are sleeping at night, and you can see the firecrackers and loudspeaker mic. You just for your happiness you do this loudspeaker on and the firecracker doing, but you have to think the other people, they will suffer from your activities. So these are the main these are the all about the noise and the sound pollutions. Okay, next one is land and the soil pollutions. Okay, land pollutions is the degradations of the earth land surface due to the misuse of soil. This has happened when the harmful or substance are released in the soil, and because of the poor agricultural practice, minerals waste, and exploitations, industrial waste dumping, these are the main reasons for the soil pollutions. Okay, the result you can see when there is a soil polluted, as a result you can see there that the infertility of the soil, and tree cannot grow on that polluted soil, and microorganisms also cannot survive in the polluted soil. So soil pollution is also very important or important or the serious threat to the environment. So this is all about the pollutions. What we discuss here? We discuss here the about the pollutions. There are the four type of pollutions we discuss here. Number one, that is the air pollutions. Number two, water pollutions. Number three, sound or the noise pollutions, and number four, that is the land or the soil pollutions. You can all know about the reasons for the soil pollutions and what are the effect for the all of the pollution, not only soil, for air, for water, and for noise and soil, all of them. Okay, I hope you understood. If you have any problem, any queries, please let me know, and please like my video. If you like it, please like thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.